In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use the Sublimation t-shirt calculator to price your shirts correctly and protect your profit. We'll walk through each field on the screen so you know what to enter and why it matters. Let's start at the top. First, enter your t-shirt blank cost. This is the price you paid per shirt. If you purchased in bulk, divide your total costs by the number of shirts to get the true per shirt cost. Accurate input here is critical because every calculation builds from this number. Next, choose your design size. You'll see three options: small logo, standard front, and full front coverage. This setting automatically adjusts the ink and paper cost multiplier. A small chest logo uses less ink. A full front design uses significantly more. Selecting the correct design size keeps your cost estimate realistic. Now move to base ink plus paper cost. Enter your standard ink and transfer paper cost per shirt. If you print multiple designs on one sheet, divide the sheet cost accordingly before entering the number. The calculator will automatically multiply this base cost depending on the design size you selected. Next, enter your labor cost per shirt. This is where many people underprice. Even if you run your business alone, your time has value. To calculate labor properly, decide your hourly rate and divide it by how many shirts you produce per hour. Enter that number here. Now, enter your quantity. This tells the calculator how many shirts are in this batch. If you're pricing a single custom order, enter 1. If you're pricing a bulk job, enter the full quantity. You'll instantly see how volume affects total cost and profit. Next, set your desired profit margin percentage. For most Sublimation t-shirts, small businesses aim for somewhere between 40 and 60%. Enter your target margin here. The calculator will use this to determine a recommended selling price that protects your profit. Once all fields are complete, click the Calculate button. Now, look at the Results section below. First, you'll see the adjusted ink cost. This reflects the multiplier based on your selected design size. Then you'll see the cost per shirt. This includes blank cost, ink, and labor combined. Below that is the total cost for the entire batch. This shows exactly how much production will cost you before you sell anything. Next, you'll see the recommended selling price. This is the price per shirt needed to hit your desired margin. Then you'll see profit per shirt, and finally, total profit for the full order. If the recommended price feels too high for your market, adjust the margin and recalculate. If profit looks too low, increase your selling price and test again. This tool lets you experiment safely before committing to real pricing. Instead of guessing, you're using real numbers. Instead of copying competitors, you're pricing based on your actual costs. Before launching any new t-shirt design, run it through this calculator. Before offering discounts, test the new price here first. And whenever your blank supplier raises prices, update your inputs immediately. Small changes in cost can dramatically impact your yearly profit. This calculator helps you see those changes instantly. No guessing, no emotional pricing decisions, just clear numbers that protect your business. That's how you use the Sublimation t-shirt calculator effectively and confidently.